Hey, let's get something to eat.
Yeah.
I didn't know the egg salad was going to go bad.
Scientists and engineers coming together is very inspirational.
Oh my God, we've had so many women come in here giving birth today. I think it was the moon rockets.
I'm excited about the launch.
Oh yeah, that's.
That's just going to be sweet.
I tell you what, I can't believe you went through all that effort to organize all this on your own.
But he's known to me as my son.
We have liftoff.
Yes,
We're here.
All right. Yeah, let's
NASA
go. Good
Kennedy.
job.
There it is.
Oh.
All good for launch. This is perfect.
Wait, what's going on? There's nobody here.
The parking lot's empty.
That's the launch site right there.
Where?
You can,
Yeah, there's no shuttle on the pad.
can't. Oh yeah. Well,
Who'd you
Wait,
call?
who'd you talk to? Did you go to a website? What'd you do?
I made.
Hey,
Your position is going on the internet Monday morning.
hey, get in the RV. Get in the RV.
I'm almost certain they told me that it was.
You know, I just logged on to www.nasa.gov and I typed in shuttle launch schedule. And you know what popped up? A shuttle launch schedule. And it tells me when, where, the dates, the times, the name of the mission, everything about it. The launch site, the vehicle.
I think I was given some disinformation by some people that didn't want me to see a shuttle launch or something.
Is that your excuse?
Well, no, everybody seemed really excited about us coming down. I thought I had it all worked out.
Had a great time, and you know how embarrassing it is when I have to call my parents and let them know that come on down for a shuttle launch and there's nothing?
You know, it could be weather related, though. It could just be. It might be weather, because sometimes the weather plays in.
I already called to verify.
What about
there's no launch?
maybe some magnetosference?
You know, we drove 776 miles from Langley to the Kennedy Space Center.
Hey, they go up on shuttle missions sometimes and are unsuccessful at launching a satellite or repairing something. This is just one of those unsuccessful.
We drove through 5 states.
Saw a lot of nice people, though. Met a lot of nice people. Talked to a lot of nice people. That was good, right?
I will give that to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, it's okay, man. That's all right, you know?
You know, forgiveness is important, too.
It hurts, man. It's gonna take some time.
All right, Franklin, check it out. This is what I want you to do for your next.
Oh, no. This is what I want you to do for your next DSA. Go out, ask people, how in the world do you find out when the next shuttle launch is going to be? That's what you need to do, and then come back and tell me what they said.
We're here at Cocoa Beach with the Brain Trust of Shuttle Information. Just a few quick questions here. What can you tell me about the NASA Space Shuttle? Anyone?
They launch it here, don't they?
Here?
Like on Cocoa Beach or right
yeah.
over there somewhere?
Well, it's right up the coast here.
Oh yeah, it launches over at Kennedy.
Oh, yeah, I guess it does. How do you find out when a shuttle launch is actually going to take place? How would you do that?
Go to the website.
Well, that's easy. Just go to www.nasa.gov.
Wow. And how did you know that?
Everybody knows that.
Oh, everybody knows that.
Everybody knows that, don't they?
You can find everything on the internet.
Well, it's clear I'm not as much of an insider as I thought I was. Everybody knows about the shuttle. It looks like that trip home is going to be brutal. Chris and Franklin are never going to let me forget this.
tell you what to do. The next shuttle launch is in August.
Yes.
Once you get on the internet, find out all about next mission. I think it's the Endeavour mission on STS-118.
How did you know the next launch was in August, by the way?
Well, that's what happens when you're on the inside of NASA. You know?
Yeah, I know.
So what website are you going to go to find that information?
www.nasa.gov.
So you learned something from some people from Cocoa Beach, didn't you?
You know, but I gotta say, maybe that's just Cocoa Beach, because that maybe in Cocoa Beach everybody knows about the shuttle, so they seem to be very well informed.
When we get to our next stop, we'll ask some people and see if they know too.
STS-118. It's the Endeavour, obviously. The launch window is 10 minutes. I don't know what that means, but launch pad 39A, which we saw. They're going to land at KSC, but there's some more details here. Apparently, Space Shuttle Endeavour's STS-118 mission is the 22nd shuttle flight to the International Space Station.
Okay.
They're going to continue the space station construction by delivering a third starboard truss segment.
Okay.
It's also the first flight of educator astronaut mission specialist Barbara Morgan,
Absolutely.
which we talked about before.
We have talked about
That's
before.
great. I don't know what this means. Educator resources.
Yeah, what they're doing is for the 118 flight, since Barbara Morgan used to be a teacher,
Right.
They're developing a lot of different education programs centered around that flight.
Oh, right, to sort of support
Absolutely.
everything she's doing.
Absolutely.
Or the demographic she's usually involved with.
What else is going on?
This probably isn't helpful for me, because as you know, I'm in top physical form. But
Okay.
there's a physical fitness challenge.
Oh, really?
It's called NASA's Fit Explorer Project, and it's designed, it's a scientific and physical approach to human health and fitness on Earth and in space.
Okay. I like that activity because the fact that, it really gets the general public to realize, what happens to an astronaut's body when they're working in a reduced gravity environment.
Right.
They lose muscle mass, bone mineral density.
Lose muscle mass.
Yeah.
But you know how hard it is for me to build muscle mass. Do you realize if I went to space and lost some, that'd probably be years before I was back?
Well, when they're on station, they're working out every day. It's not like you just go up there and just, hang out and do your experiments. I mean, they have to actually work out. They actually have to make sure that they're eating the right foods. There's nothing nutrition in their
Do you mean
foods.
to tell me that you're an astronaut, you're, at the highest point of your professional career, you get to go on one of the greatest trips you can imagine up into space, and they still make you work out during the process?
Well, it's fun. Working out's fun. Okay, let me show you some B-roll footage of both pads with the shuttle and without the shuttle.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, got it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
With,
Okay.
without.
Oh, without. Okay.
With,
With.
and without.
Without. Okay.
Again. With, without.
Without. Okay.
You got that?
I think I got it.
Okay.
I think I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, this is Franklin, and I'm here in beautiful Daytona Beach, Florida, where today I'm going to do a brand new ESA, and we're going to talk to a few people about NASA's return to the moon. Let's check it out. Is the name Orion? Is it the name of a constellation or a galaxy?
That's a good question.
Constellation.
Constellation.
Name of a galaxy or a constellation?
Constellation.
Oh man, you took the words right out of my mouth. Okay.
Orion's belt, a galaxy.
I'm not much of a astronomer, I guess.
No, constellation. You can tell by the look. Yeah.
Oh man.
Galaxy.
Constellation.
A constellation. Is it?
Yes.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, that's okay. The name Orion, what does it have to do with NASA's mission to return to the moon?
Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know that.
With the NASA's mission to the moon, Orion. I honestly don't even know.
Go ahead, Smarty.
NASA's mission to return to the moon. To see if there's life?
I have no idea.
I have not. I'm not familiar with that, with the mission to return to the moon.
Your lifeline doesn't have an answer for you.
I don't know. I don't know.
It uses it to. No, it really does do something. I learned about it.
You had to borrow his belt to get there.
Who?
Orion's belt.
I couldn't tell you. Anthony, how about you?
No idea.
No clue.
The name Orion is the name of NASA's new crew exploration vehicle, which will replace the space shuttle.
Cool.
Oh wow, I did not know that. That's interesting. Yeah.
Okay, yes, I have heard that.
All right.
Sorry, we have heard of that.
Okay, now. If you had an opportunity to travel to the moon, what would be the one luxury item you would take with you?
Luxury item?
Yes.
For me, it'd be music.
Can it be like pen and paper combo? Or just
Yeah. Won't be that hard on you.
All right, cool.
Pen and paper?
Yep.
And what would you do with the pen and paper?
Right. I'm a writer.
I guess my children. Would that count?
My daughter.
The only thing I'm gonna need my family's picture, basically. You know, like,
That's the one luxury item you would take?
yeah. What else are you gonna need over there? Yeah.
Your family picture?
Yeah.
My daughter.
So a lot of children going on the trip to the moon these days.
My daughter would go with me.
Soap, water.
Soap?
That's not really luxury, is it?
My automobile.
Yeah.
The automobile?
Yes. Not a trampoline, because I know you get good height.
I would take my computer so I could email everybody back on Earth.
Oh, you're changing yours from soap to a computer?
Computer, yes.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
I got my CD, I got an iPod, I got satellite radio, I got music everywhere.
My iPod?
Probably a TV or radio, like an iPod or something. Something to keep myself busy on the flight.
My iPod. I have to have classic rock with me all the time.
How many songs do you have in your iPod?
I have over 2,000 right now.
You wouldn't take your dumbbell with you?
Yeah, but you said one item.
I did say one item.
Music would have to come first.
A good space helmet.
Oh, I'd have to have a treadmill.
My golf clubs, because I want to hit the ball as far as Tiger Woods and some of them.
You would probably be able to guess.
I think it's about 7 times as far.
Is beer a luxury item?
My girlfriend. Does that count? Yeah, girlfriend. Definitely. I mean, that's pretty important.
PlayStation, Xbox 360. I bring that.
I guess my digital camera?
A digital camera?
Yeah.
What are you going to take pictures of?
Rocks. Myself.
I think I would take a camera.
A camera?
For pictures.
For pictures?
Yes.
Pizza.
Pizza? It's all about food, huh?
All about food.
Where do you learn about stuff like this?
NASA.
You can find some extra information on this at www.nasa.gov.
Excellent.
Hey guys, we had a lot of fun in Daytona Beach and here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Met many people who are excited about NASA, but we have a lot of work to do. Until next time, in my next extra studio activity, log on to www.nasa.gov for more information.
Mind if I open the show?
Welcome to NASA Edge.
An inside and outside look at all things NASA.
No, not really.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. But I'm struggling through some things. I mean, I had a good day yesterday with the ESA, I thought. I got
What are your lessons learned?
a few lessons learned.
Yeah, did you finish your homework assignment that Franklin gave you?
Yeah, I went over it. I pretty much make sure you know the answers to the questions. You know, a little more confidence, work on your my confidence a little bit.
Remember, the Orion spacecraft is not landing on the moon. It's actually going to be orbiting around
No,
the moon.
I know by the end I had that.
I made that mistake.
Right, yeah. So it's like the mothership. It's like the mothership. Orion will be orbiting the moon, right? Orbiting, and then the lunar lander will pop off of that, or demate.
Right.
Right? Demate.
Descend down to the surface.
And, land, and they'll do all their research and unpacking and unloading and groundwork for the lunar moon base Alpha Edge 1.
Remember, we it's outpost. See, you're having trouble already.
Well, no, but part of that is I don't want, I would rather say moon base.
No, it's outpost.
There you go. So that's lessons learned. I mean, obviously, I got to get the vernacular down. I got to get the lingo, the language, the copy, the content, the data.
The 411.
The 411. The 411. All right, I gotta get the. Yesterday I had the 41. I need the 411. I need the entire package. Welcome back to NASA Edge. I'm Blair, and usually you'd be seeing Franklin doing the ESA, but unfortunately I messed up the shuttle schedule launch for our show, and now I'm doing the ESA, and hopefully I'll get back into Chris's good graces with some good shuttle questions and new exploration vehicle questions, so check it out. Okay, my first question is, can you name the 3 currently active space shuttles at NASA?
No, I couldn't do that.
No.
No, not one.
No.
Okay.
It's embarrassing because I should know those and I don't know them.
They're on the tip of your tongue.
Actually, Kennedy is the space center where they launch from Kennedy, but that's not one of the shuttles. Is that your move?
The Enterprise, I thought was.
It's no longer active either.
Discovery?
Discovery.
No.
Discovery, that's one.
It is? Oh, I thought that was an old one.
And the Endeavor. And I'll give you a clue on the last one. It's named after an ancient, undiscovered city that's probably believed to be under the water. Sounds like one of our major oceans. It's also a big resort in the Bahamas, I think. They got a brand new one there, same name. I don't know.
Atlantis?
That's it. When NASA retires the shuttle, they're building a new space exploration vehicle. Is that vehicle named the Galactica, the Orion, or the Millennium Falcon?
The last choice.
The Millennium Falcon.
I'm gonna go with Galactica.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with the Millennium.
The Millennium Falcon.
You just said.
Millennium Falcon.
I've heard the Galactica before.
I think we'll go with the Orion.
You sure about that? 100%?
Positive. Yeah.
Orion? That's it. You got it. But that doesn't mean that you're gonna make a good move here. You know? When was the last time the space shuttle orbited the moon?
I think in the 80s, but I don't know.
The 80s.
Yeah,
somewhere around the 80s, okay.
It's been a while, hasn't it? Well, they're always up there, aren't they? They're somewhere.
Are we looking for a year here?
1992.
1992?
Couldn't tell you.
I'm gonna guess recently, maybe?
The shuttle has never orbited the moon.
Never orbited the moon. Okay, is that your final answer?
The space shuttle now you're talking about?
Yes, that's correct.
No, it has not orbited the moon.
I agree.
Actually, I'm sorry to say it's never happened.
Oh, let's say you tricked.
Yeah, it was a trick question, yes.
No, it never orbited the moon.
I have no idea.
Never orbited the moon.
I don't know.
All right, looks like he's feeling very, how confident? What percent?
100%.
100%?
I'll go with him. He knows more about it than I do.
Okay, clearly we do have a winner here. Yes, the shuttle has never orbited the moon.
Now, what happens when you stunt the co-host with chickers? That's terrible.
Yeah. So Franklin, how'd I do with the...
Well, Blair, today I graded you on creativity, delivery, and a few other items.
Oh, okay.
Right here. Take a look at them all. Fill out your lessons learned.
Okay.
And get back to me in the morning, okay?
Great. You didn't judge on checkers, did you?
No, not really.
Good. You know, if I had superpowers like heroes, I would want that timed heroes power where I could freeze time. Go back before I screwed up the shuttle launch.
Really?
Yeah. That way I wouldn't make the mistake. I could go back and undo it, and then we could go down in August, and then it would have worked perfectly.
Yeah, but if you could do that, why couldn't you just go back in time and start this trip all over again? And
yeah, that's what I mean.
And just, you know.
Yeah. Save the co-host, save the world. Wait, that would make me a cheerleader. Our next turn at NASA is 32 miles away.
Is it? Cool. I tell you what, man, we had a great time on this trip, didn't we?
It was awesome. I mean,
this is the best way to get out to the public and just spread the word about what we do and get them excited about NASA's mission and also going back to the moon, Mars, and beyond. And, what about Daytona?
Daytona was cool. Met some nice people on the beach at Daytona. I didn't realize you could drive on the beach there. That's pretty cool.
yeah,
That's kind of a neat feature too.
And down on
Cocoa Beach, Kennedy.
Well, we're not going to talk about Kennedy.
Well, but Kennedy was Kennedy. We got to see Kennedy. That was great.
Well,
spot.
yeah, Manny did a great job showing us around, giving us a tour.
And what stories he has.
Yeah, no, man. Yeah,
boy, he's got a lot of stories.
Well, he's been around for a long time. He knows the whole history of NASA. Yeah. But I tell you what, even though we kind of missed the boat on the primary goal of the mission, it's okay because we always have the shuttle launch in August.
There's always August.
Yes.
That's my new theme song. There's always August.
And please, just ask us a question. Try not to do everything on your own. If you don't know the answer to something, come talk to us or go to the website. Go to www.nasa.gov. Or if you want, let the NASA Edge viewers email us a question, or maybe they can email us some advice to give to you on how to organize another trip.
And you know what? I can take help. I mean, I don't mind enlisting the assistance of our valued viewers or NASA, even Debbie.
Well, next time we go eastbound and down, we'll make sure that
roll up and truck next time.
Yeah,
we will do so on the right day.
Absolutely,
very good.
And you're watching NASA Edge.
An inside and outside look at all things NASA. I want to make sure I was allowed to say that again.
We'll see you later.
Action. Get the boom in the shot. Sorry. And looking down and then back up and action.
So Franklin, how'd I do?
Oh, up later today, I graded you on creativity. Delivery. Delivery.
Delivery. Injustice for all.